So I just watched the video that I'm uploading right now, and I thought about something, and also, with regards to actually the scientific experiment that I conducted yesterday, the worm experiments. So I thought about this thing, I ask you, people all over the world, all over the world to show arms and legs to the Israelis. I tell you that, you cannot just show them mouths and tongues. That they need to see arms and legs. And, well, maybe this also applies to me. Because I've shown you many neos, kind of like mouses. And I've shown you the worms that look like tongues. But maybe you need to see arms and legs. Not microscopic ones, but you really need to see arms and legs in order to, be more motivated. And this, of course, is a great follow-up to yesterday's experiments. So you see here a nice model of arms and legs. I'm referring to the table, of course. You see the four legs, or 2 arms, 2 legs. But I think that I will go with 6 or 8, limbs. This will be a great follow-up experiment, to sculpture the electrolysis rods, instead of just one rod, of the positive, and one for the neutral, to have 4 and 4, or 8 and 8, which is something that I've done in the past, but to sculpture them in they are part of one object that looks like a spider. So there will be 2 spiders that are actually conductive inside the mixture. And I'll use mixture that, yesterday, but I will not use the very strong, electrolysis, or maybe I use it, for, 2, I'll parallelize it, so it will be 2, so it will be used for 2, for 2 containers. Or even better, let's see, how we set up the voltage, and the amperes, between the different containers. But in any case, yes, the plan is to create, as a follow-up experiment. But now, although with a couple of different glasses, different containers, but now, and using, similar, mixtures, maybe a little different, learning from yesterday, but not significantly different. But the really new thing will be the symbols. It will not be just worms, but spiders. And maybe, if you see robotic arms and legs, you've already seen them, but in microscopic level. But maybe it's not. Maybe it's not maybe it's not impressive enough. Maybe you need to see arms and legs in the non-microscopic level in order to be more impressed. So I should do it today. And hopefully before we go to sleep tonight, we will be able to show you, actually walking, if I actually be able to actually, create living ones like I've done with the worms. So it should be, my guess is that it's possible. Then you will actually be able to see living spiders, moving spiders, synthetic spider, robotic spiders, just here in this room, before we go to sleep today. Yeah, I will probably need to, take good care of them, because, worms are very slow, so I'm not, too bothered by them, and, a creature with legs and arms can actually run away, and, but, if you do not care about it, maybe I don't need to, to occupy myself too much with this scenario. You should, you should, think about this kind of, scenario much more than I am. So, if you don't care at all, you are fine with it. So, maybe we should all just, go with the flow, as they say, and, not overthink things that are presumably beyond our control. So that would be the plan for today, and shouldn't be too difficult. It's mostly sculpturing with the rods, but it's something that I've done in the past many times when I created parallel circuits. But now, I mean, the main difference is it will be look like actual spiders and will place like in the symbol, like where the symbols actually should be. But it's not significantly different than many things they've done in the past, so shouldn't be that difficult. Well, yeah, great, it's a plan. So I'll update you soon. Bye for now.